The 10 habits that will make you more attractive and get people to like you. Many people believe that being attractive is all about your looks. There are some people who have natural good looks. They are able to enjoy their pleasing physical appearance for most of their lives. However, attraction has to do with much more than your face, body, hair, or clothes. Here are 10 habits you can begin implementing into your daily life that will instantly make you more attractive, no matter what your physical appearance is. Number 1. Keep your words positive. At the end of the day, you don't help yourself grow when you complain about things, people, or circumstances. And you certainly don't make others like you any better either. People enjoy being around people who make them feel good. The first thing you can do is use positive words and offer a lot of praise. Receiving that kind of energy will make others feel good, and they'll naturally like you more. Number 2. Be curious. The only way to make other people curious about you is to be curious yourself. Learn how things work. Analyze why people behave the way they do and try to figure out what makes them tick. Read some interesting books and find out what's happening around you. Having more to say makes you appear smart and fascinating to others. Number 3. Smile more. It's no coincidence that happy and charming people tend to have more friends and admirers. People are drawn to positive emotions, and a smile conveys friendliness and openness. Number 4. Surprise people. The person automatically expects you to do what you say you'll do. Instead, surprise them from time to time. It's much more memorable and impactful than doing what you've already promised. It's not just the gift that will brighten their day, but the thought you put into the nice gesture. Number 5. Say thank you. These 2 simple words, though overused at times, can make a world of difference in someone's day. A few seconds can make all the difference in the world. It doesn't matter if it's something small, like someone opening the door for you. Never forget to express your gratitude. Number 6. Remain calm. When someone screams or laces out in a destructive way, we can all agree that it's an unpleasant sight to see. The best thing we can do is not snap. Before you snap, take a moment to think about the whole situation. Talk it out and stay calm. This will enable you to better understand others, and as a result, you will build stronger relationships. Number 7. Forgive and forget. We have all been hurt and disappointed at some point in our lives, but letting go is extremely important. Anger, jealousy, and holding grudges are bad habits that bring you down. They only cultivate negativity and bring you down. When you forgive someone who has wronged you, you will not only become a better person in their eyes, but you will also come across as someone who is mature and sensible. Number 8. Strike up a conversation. Whenever we leave our comfort zone and are away from familiar groups, we feel uncomfortable. The types of people who take initiative and introduce themselves to others are the ones who are completely comfortable with themselves, a trait that is highly attractive. Take a risk and talk to someone you don't know. You'll surprise them instantly, and you might just walk away more confident. Number 9. Do something nice for a stranger. Take opportunities to be kind to others every day. You will be amazed at how good it feels. Pick up a dropped wallet for someone, or just smile at a passerby. It's a gesture most people won't do, but they will respect you if you do it. This gracious act will not only make you feel better but will also be greatly appreciated. Number 10. Take care of yourself. Self-discipline makes people more attractive because it means being able to meet their basic needs, and others don't view them as burdensome. Do you think of any other simple habits to add to this list? Eating nutritiously, exercising regularly, and taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional health should be important parts of your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more video like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our order videos as well. Thanks for watching.